I have ZTE Axon 7 and let me show you how to take screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here let's find and select the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be the calendar, and let's assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I need to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. So let's hold down simultaneously those two keys and you just capture the screen. So let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down and you just save the screen. So that's it. If you would like to share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with saved screenshot, let's just open the upper bar and tap screenshot captured, or you can also accomplish that by using the home screen by finding the gallery, choose here albums, tap screenshot, and that's it. Here you can use your screenshot. So you can here share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with these pictures. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.